to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make realistic AI cooking videos for free using Grok AI and CapCut. As you can see on my screen is a video I created on my own for free, a cooking video tutorial. Right, so this has been trending for a while now, and a lot of people don't know how to do theirs, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Before I do that, please click on the subscribe button and also like, it helps a lot. So let's get into the video. First thing you need is the Grok AI. This is the Grok AI, and you need ChatGPT and you need CapCut. The reason why you need ChatGPT is actually to create JSON prompt that is going to guide your Grok AI to give you exactly what you want. Then for your CapCut, it's what you use to join all the clips you have made together. So to make a particular clip, it's going to take a while, and I don't intend to make this video any longer or very long. Right, so I'm just going to show you how I made mine. So the first thing I did was actually going to ChatGPT to get a prompt, a JSON prompt, just a JSON prompt. You ask it and tell the line of story you want, or you can create something for yourself. Then you can see this prompt. I said a cinematic high quality cooking video showing the preparation of Indomie noodles, close-up shots of Indomie pack being opened, Indomie dropped into boiling water, seasoning sachets poured in slow motion, noodles being stirred. Then I sent it and created this video for me. So after doing this, I made another prompt, and this was the prompt. Finally plating in a clean bowl, noodles, cuisine, and fried egg and veggies. So you can see that's what it's doing. I created this video for me, and then I also give another instruction with the noodles and egg on the table. Give a thumbs up, and it actually created one for me. Then after a while, I thought of making a beginning of the video, though it did not give me exactly what I wanted. So I said a girl standing with a pot and noodles, putting on a chef's clothes, art and smiling, and it actually did for a smaller girl. So after doing this, all I did was go to my CapCut, and I added all the videos together, and I came about with this. You can see it, right? So this is everything together. This is a merge. So after that, you can just click on aspect ratio. Once you click on that, if you're posting on your YouTube, you click on YouTube, click on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, anyone you're using, you can see the landscape and the ratio there. So you click on good and you export the video. So let me just give you a quick one on how to do one. So let's say this is the instruction we wanted to do. So write a big girl, a lady, let's use a lady, and right, so it's actually generating now. So it's going to take a while to actually generate. So let's keep waiting. So you can see this is a lady now, and it's looking a bit bigger and okay now. So after that, you can see the download button below the screen. Click on download, and it's going to get downloaded, and you can do the rest. It's very easy and simple. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.